Welcome to MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia on beautiful Lake Lanier. Today we're going to talk about the Crest pontoon boat, one of the oldest pontoon boat manufacturers in the country and known for their high quality and high performance pontoon boats. We're standing today on a Crest 220 with a 200 horsepower Mercury. This boat has a lot of features of a lot more expensive boats. The main advantage of Crest is its quality, its strength, its durability, and its performance for each user. Examples of some of the qualities you'll notice on all Crest models, they use a powder-coated aluminum rail surrounding the boat. The materials are thicker than anybody else's. The side panels are stronger than anybody else's. The gates are piano hinged, can hold 400 pounds. And the strength of the gates is apparent when you start pushing on it, preventing toddlers and pets from accidentally opening the gate while you're underway, causing a problem. All Crest models have this strength and durability built into them. As we move back into the boat, you'll notice the seating material. Crest makes their own seats, unlike a lot of manufacturers who assemble boats with materials that are assembled in other plants. Crest makes everything in their own plant, including the fiberglass pedestal, the tunes themselves, all the metal fabrication, all the fiberglass fabrication is done in-house. The seats are all done and raised off the floor. So if you have a problem with a boat, the source is Crest for all problems to be resolved. It makes it real easy if you have a warranty issue. As you go back into the boat, this particular boat is powered by a Mercury, brand new Mercury 200 horsepower engine. It's more than adequate to push this boat at a very good speed. We have a side door here. We have a changing room behind this seat. Over on this panel here we have the depth finder, Bluetooth fusion radio. We have a captain's cup holder, which you'll see in a video in a few minutes, that keeps your beverages cold as you're underway. You get a nice upgraded captain's chair. This can rotate and swivel. Coming back into the rear of the boat, you can see a seat here that can go both directions. So you can face rear when you're not underway, and you can sit forward when you're underway. This allows you to have a larger seating area for entertainment, and if you're just anchored in the cove and taking it easy, you can lay back and relax. The rear deck is open, so you can access everything back here. You've got a nice stainless steel retractable ladder, one of the nicest ladders in the industry, along with a very strong stainless steel tow bar for those water sport activities. Another nice feature on the new motors that you'll notice is that when they tilt up, they tilt up completely out of the water, so you don't have any part of the nose cone of the motor still in the water and getting discolored over time. Additionally, you'll notice that this boat has a bimini top, is also powder coated. Crest makes their own biminis. They do not go for assembled biminis made by a third-party supplier, just like they don't have their seats made by a third-party supplier. As you may know, a lot of pontoon boats or manufacturers really don't manufacture anything. They assemble components supplied to them by other manufacturers. Again, we like the single sole source accountability that Crest provides us as a dealer, with all the materials and workmanship performed on site in their factory in Michigan. Enjoy the Crest. Take a look at them, come for a ride. Test out just how good they are. Look at the strength underneath of the boat, the box beams, the underskins. You'll notice a difference right away. Let us show you this fabulous boat. Thank you.